Welcome to AIP Tech Space. Welcome, I am AIP Tech. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your AutoCAD 2025 software for free. It's going to be working without you paying any dime, and it's going to be fully licensed. So previously, I've dropped a video on how to install your AutoCAD 2024. If you have not watched the video, or if you need the software, you can check on our YouTube. You will see the video has been uploaded. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you how to install your AutoCAD 2025 software for free, and it's going to be fully licensed. You are not going to be paying any dime for it. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly use this moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Alright, so now before we start, there are some things you have to do before you can install your software. So the first thing you have to watch out for is what you have to come to your settings. So let's go to our settings. Just click on this search bar and then search for search for virus and threat protection, which you are seeing on the screen. If it's not popping up from your own listing, come to this and search it. So click on it. Okay. Sorry. So click on it and click on this manage settings. I think I've turned this up, so you have to turn it off. So you know you want to install a software, and it's not you're not paying anything for it. This is a crap file, so you have to switch off this real-time protection, switch off this dev drive, switch everything off. And you see everything is off here. So you have to switch it off, and then that's all for this aspect. The second thing you have to watch out for before you install your software is that you must not be connected to the internet. So whenever you want to install this AutoCAD, make sure you're not connected to the internet. So you should switch your internet off. And after you have connected it, so the software has already been downloaded. We have already downloaded the software. So we have already installed the software. Okay, so this is the file. This is the software file. So just click on it. For you to get access to this software file, you have to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be telling you where you're going to get access to this file. So you have to watch this video till the end. So this is the two software file we needed for this software installation, AutoCAD 2025 installation. So first thing is make sure you extract this zip file. Click on this and extract it. Okay, come to this WinRAR. Click on extract to get into my PC. Click on this and extract it. So the password will be dropped in the description, in the comment section. So let's wait for it to extract the file. After the file has been extracted, so we move on to the next thing. So if it's almost done, the file is almost done, so we have to wait. So the password is 1, 2, and 3. So in case you have not, the password is 1, 2, and 3. So it has successfully extracted. So come to this file. Click on this. Alright, so just click on it and then right click. Okay. Coming, I'm trying to look for something there. Okay. So alright, just click on this. Okay, let's just right click it as we have been doing. Okay, come to this aspect also, and then extract it as we have extracted. So extract it as we have done in the first section. So that means you are going to be extracting it twice. So that's it. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, the file has successfully extracted. So click on this. This is the extracted file. Okay. So this is the extracted file. Just click on this, and then we move on. Okay, so we have gotten to the file. This is the folder in that file. So click on this setup, and then click on run as administrator. You have to run this setup. So click on run as administrator. So we wait for it to load. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. If you are finding this video very helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to the people you know that need us for this video. So thank you. So let's wait for you to install this software. So the file has successfully that first step has installed. So let's wait for you to pop this. Also, after I've given you the link to download your software, after you have used the internet, so for you to launch this, to install this, make sure you're not connected to the internet, like I've said in the beginning of the video. and make sure you on the you switch off all the protections that could hinder this software from installing on your PC. So let's wait for it to prepare. So we don't want this video to take much longer, so that's why I'm kind of pausing it. But everything that you need to know will be shown to you in this video, so that you can also have an easy installation. So click on agree and click on next. So install. So we have to wait for it to install. Okay, so let me just switch this off. So once this one has installed, has reached 100%, so this software will be available, will be visible on our PC. We'll be able to see it now. So let's just pause it till it reach. Alright, so it's almost done. So 99%. So we have successfully installed. So this is the software. Can you see it's visible at this side? Can you see now? So this is the software itself. Okay. Okay, so let's just wait for it to finalize the installation. Okay. Alright, so installation completed. So it's installed complete. So next thing is, don't start it immediately, just cut it off like this, quit it. Don't start it immediately. So there's another thing we have to do. So let's go back to our folder. So where's the folder? Is this okay? So let's go back to the folder, and then let's go back to the okay, so this is the folder. So now we have to come to this get into PC fix. So we are making use of two zip file. So these two zip file will be given access, will be given to us in the comment section, where you will get this software into your own PC wiki. Access will be given to us in the comment section. So wait to the end of this video if you want to have access to it. Alright, so now let's extract this one also. So extract. So let's extract this. Like I said, the password is 1, 2, and 3. Just click on it. So if you don't hear me, I'm going to paste it. Or where you are going to get access to it, the password will be pasted. Alright. So this is the file. This is the extracted folder. So click on it. Okay. Click on it. Alright. So this is where we are coming. So this is it. So you can just come to this aspect to check what are the next procedure to follow. So you can see it says run as KNM. I think this is network license management or exit as administrator and wait for message crack is complete. So this is the process whereby you crack the software, the file, the software you have downloaded, which is the AutoCAD 25 software. This is where you cracked it for it to work successfully on your own PC, on your gadgets, anywhere you want to store it. So now let's just continue with it. Just click on run it as administrator as we are instructed. So right click and then run as administrator. So if you follow all this procedure that we have done in this video, we'll be able to get this installation well. Okay, so we have to wait till it crack the file. So that's how it's going to execute the program, the cracking method. So we have to wait. So if you are finding this video very helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to like. And also you can drop in the comment section the software you want us to install. Alright. So let's wait for it. Okay. So let's just wait. So let me just use this opportunity to tell us that for you to get access to this software, where you will download the software. So the link will be dropped in the comment section. Just click on the link and you will find where to get your software for free. So a link will be dropped, a Telegram link will be dropped. So you have to join the link to get access. Everything has been provided in the Telegram link. So can you see now it says cracking complete. Enjoy. So you just click on OK and we move to the next step. Just go back to. So we have completed everything that we are meant to do at this aspect. So let's aspect. So the next thing you have to do is just hibernate this. You can cut it off and then come to your software to your software itself, and then come and run it as administrator. So this is the point where we install this, we launch this software itself, because we have already cracked the file. So we just click on run as administrator. So like I said, a link will be dropped in the comment section of this video. That's where you are going to get access to this to where you're going to download the software. So that's why you have to watch till the end, and then you check the comment section. The password also will be dropped in the comment section. The password is 1, 2, and 3. So click on OK. Okay, so that's the software. So let's just wait. Let's see if there won't be any error in the installation. Okay. Okay. You can just skip this association this time. No skip. That's not what we are here for now. Okay. I'll resume and then click on network license. Let's wait. So can you see now? It's working. Alright, so let's test it. So this is working perfectly. Can you see? So if you follow this procedure we have done in this video, so you'll get this kind of results. Can you see now? So like I said, for you to get access to this software, where you're going to download the software, you have to click on the link in the comment section to get access to this software, where you download the software. Can you see now? It's working. Can you see? Just click on this. So one of the ways you will know it's working is that all these components here will be visible to you. You'll be able to use it. So that's really, can you see? Let's test this one more time. Let's just switch it off and then see, maybe we have gotten the installation. So let's run this one more time for us to confirm whether the installation is complete. Click on enter. Okay, let me just pause this. Okay, let's just wait for it to all right. Okay, you can just click on this just to avoid all this open up. Alright, can you see? We tested it twice and it's working. Can you see now? So that's how to install your AutoCAD. Can you see it's working perfectly? Perfectly. Can you see? Everything is working perfectly. Can you see? Alright, so we have come to the end of today's video. So if you truly find this video very helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to the people you know that are in need of this software. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. So to get access to this software, like I said, please check the comments below. Thank you.